guys, welcome back to another episode in Project C.A.R, which this time is going to be a very quick one because I'm about to head out for my first haircut since, I don't know, I think it's December or something, so it's time to go. Having a look around, I haven't done anything over the last 2 weeks. I've been at work for the entire period, so I don't have much to show for, unfortunately. What I have been doing yesterday is I've been to see the car, and I'll post some photos in this video in a second. Yeah, they removed the front fenders to see what was underneath it, and unfortunately we thought that it wasn't going to be too much work, but now that the fenders are off, the previous repairs that had been done have actually done more damage than good. So it looks like they've got to cut off most of the front section to rebuild it. So it's going to take a little bit longer, but hopefully the end product will definitely be worth it. Other than that, like I said, not much has happened. I've been trying to play a little bit with the carburetors in the sense that I might change the order of them so that the bigger hole, which is on that one now, because that is going to the brake booster. I think, if I say it correctly, yeah, I think that's the brake booster. That one might be either from the back or the middle, depending on which position is easier to route the wire to the brake booster. So that's a little bit of a play still I'm doing. I'm just figuring out how that works. If I do swap them around, that means that the support point for the overhead lever rail has to be relocated to the center, so I have to take everything apart and rebuild it. So anyway, that's a little bit of what I'm doing at the moment. Other than that, I'm still waiting for parts that are in the post. Hopefully they'll get here next week and I get to do a little bit more work on it. I also need to give the engine block a good clean because it's quite dirty. Other than that, like I said, not much has been done. Hopefully I've got more for you next time. I might be looking at doing some work on the little version of the car, the one that's there. I've got some primers, so hopefully we can have a little look to see which primer works on the polyprop material, which sounds like apparently it's very difficult to paint. So anyway, that's it from me. Hopefully I'll see you again in 2 weeks time with some more news and some better progress on the car, and then I'll see you then. Bye.